You know why I love the holidays? Because it's the perfect time of the year to pretend like you know how to cook, which is really what I do every single day on this cooking show, and I'm just fooling the world into believing that I'm actually good at this. Whatever. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice holiday ribeye using just some Dansmas seasoning and some stuffing, because why not? Let's get to it. Gordon Ramsay told me to do that part. I don't really get it. He also said to let it rest, so now we wait.
I was just kidding about that pretending thing. That steak is cooked perfectly.
Hey, she might not be pretty, but she's got a great personality. You know what I'm saying? But there we have it. We have a beautifully cooked ribeye, some stuffing, and a massive mess. That's the dirty little secret of Hollywood. But let me tell you, the chipotle and the spicy on this ribeye, unreal.